Having trouble with weak Wi-Fi signals in some areas of your home? A Verizon WiFi Extender E3200 can help. In this video, I will show you how to set up quickly and easily. First, plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your Verizon Internet gateway. Wait for the LED light to turn solid yellow. Now press and hold the unified button on the Wi-Fi extender or 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the pair button on your Verizon Internet gateway. Both devices will blink blue while pairing. If there's an error, the LED will slowly flash red for 2 minutes. Once you see solid white or blinking yellow light on your extender, the pairing is successful. Now, unplug the Wi-Fi extender and move it because the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi covering area. Plug it into a powerful outlet again. If the LED blinks first yellow, move the extender further away from the internet gateway. If it blinks slow yellow, move it closer to the gateway. Once the light turns solid white, your setup is complete. For a more stable connection, you can pair using an Ethernet cable. Connect the Wi-Fi extender to your router using the Ethernet cable. Then plug the extender into a power outlet and wait for a solid yellow light. Again, both devices will blink blue while pairing. If there is an error, the LED will flash red for 2 minutes. Once the extender shows a solid white or blinking yellow light, the pairing is complete. Unplug the extender. Move it between the gateway and the weak Wi-Fi area. Please plug it back in. Follow the same LED indicator guide. First blinking yellow, move it further away from the gateway. Slow blinking yellow, move it closer to the gateway. Solid white, your setup is done. And that is it. You have successfully extended your Wi-Fi coverage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.